Are you looking to buy a new home or sell your current home in the area? If so, you're going to want an experienced, knowledgeable, and trustworthy agent in your corner, working every day for you on your behalf. Now, that's exactly what we'll do for you. No matter how big or small a price point may be, we treat every transaction with the same high level of attention and care. We are involved every single step of the way throughout the buying or selling process. Weekends, evenings, early mornings, and yes, even holidays. If there are any new developments in the purchase or selling of your property, we're on top of it and immediately bring you into the know. Don't look any further to find a reputable real estate agent. We are it. Give us a call with any questions you may have. We'd love to help you with any of your real estate needs.